I'm going to show you how to make block letters. This is not the only way, and you may already have your way of knowing how to do so, but I want you just to try it this way that I'm going to show you today. So I just wrote my letters out just regular. And please try to use all capitals just for the sake of this project. And make sure your letters start at the top, this top line, and then go all the way to this bottom, the last line that we drew. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my ruler, and you don't have to use a ruler. I like to use it. And I'm going to take a colored pencil. It does not matter what the colored pencil choice is at this moment. I would use anything other than white or yellow for reasons that they're just, you can't see the white on white, and the yellow's kind of hard to see as well. But we'll be going over this with Sharpie or black marker, so it does not matter the color choice because you won't be able to see it eventually. So to make it a block letter, I'm going to take an outline. Okay, I'm not going to trace over my letters that I've already written. I'm simply outlining. So what that means is I'm creating now a shape of my letter. So I have to do that, I go all the way around. I'm just following every single line that I drew, and I'm going around. I'm going around that line. And hopefully that helps you make a good block letter by writing the letter out first, just regular, and then you go around each line. Okay, so you have to go all the way around. So I have to now finish off by going here at the top as well. All right, then I'm going to go on to my U. Okay, see how now it's a block letter. Don't forget, I feel like a lot of people forget that they have to also do, like, you have to go all the way around. So I'm not done. Now I have to go around and on the inside. Okay, see how I'm going all the way around. You go around the whole letter. And if you have a question, on the next slide, I did upload a sheet that you can look at to double check if you are doing yours correctly as well, that you will be able to access as you're working. And that is just one way. Hopefully it's helpful to you on how to create block letters a little bit more simply, instead of just trying to create one from your imagination. So write out the letter first with a pencil, with a regular pencil. Take a colored pencil. Okay, the reason I have you take a colored pencil is that this way you can just easily tell the difference between your first line and then your block letter. After you do that, then what you will do next is you will take a black Sharpie or a black marker, if you have one, and you will trace now or go over all your colored pencil lines. So what you will do at the very end, after you finish tracing, is then you will take and you will erase the inside pencil line. Okay, you don't want to trace that inside pencil line. That becomes obsolete. That means we no longer need it. It doesn't serve any purpose. Okay, so I will do that for all three letters. Then after I'm done, I can go ahead and clean up the inside of the letter. Please don't erase these lines yet. We will be referring back to them. So you can clean that up and erase that. We don't need that anymore. And I will do that for all three letters.